What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life of what a realistic day honestly looks like for me running my business and everything that I'm doing throughout the day. So I don't have a crazy amount of stuff planned, and I think that's totally fine because a lot of people, I feel like, try to include so many different things in their day in their lives and, you know, kind of make themselves look crazy that they're doing everything, driving fast cars. This is going to be like an honest, like raw, just like realistic video. I literally just got onto my desk here. Haven't even turned on the computer. That is the first thing, is I currently right now have to ship out orders. So yeah, this is kind of the workstation that I have going on right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the PC, go ahead and print out the labels, and then check on my meta ads and just a couple other things like emails. So let's go into it. And by the way, this is the station I'm working with. A little rough. It definitely needs a cleanup. That is bad. Some inventory here, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and turn the PC on and start printing out the labels. All right, so while my computer is turning on and everything is loading up, I'll just give you guys a quick little like background of me if you're new and you don't really know what I do. So if you look at my channel, you'll see that I do a lot of video editing, which I still do quite a bit of, just not as much anymore as I've shifted a lot more into business side of things and less on the video side. So but I still use my video editing and filming for my own businesses as well as other people. So but yeah, what I'm doing today is going to be doing a lot of content and obviously packing orders for my own company that I have, Kava Performance, and our main product is this right here. It's a scoop and a funnel in one. So I'm going to be doing some content for that, shipping out the orders for that, and then maybe some other stuff for this other company that me and my brother started up not too long ago. Yeah, so with our scoop and funnel with Kava Performance, I sell it through TikTok Shop and Shopify. Those are the only two sources, so just direct to consumer. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through TikTok Shop. That's where I'm in right now, and I'm literally just gonna go to the orders and then arrange shipment, and then let's go ahead and print out these labels. Let's go ahead and hit print, and the labels should start printing out right here. Now I'm going to be printing out my Shopify labels. All right, so I just got done printing out all of my labels. I have TikTok here, and then these ones are the Shopify labels. For the Shopify ones, I have to print out a packing slip, and this basically goes inside of the package and tells the customer and me how many they ordered. Just like this person ordered one scoop. This just helps me, I guess when I'm packing, I can see exactly how many they ordered. And that just goes for all these other ones. Like this person ordered 3, but the reason why I don't do it for the TikTok ones is I usually just only get single SKU orders or like single units, so like I don't get multiples of quantities, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's why there's no packing slips for these ones here, which makes it a little bit easier. So let's just go ahead and start packing these orders. I usually just start with the TikTok ones, and then once those are done, then I go over to my other batch of labels, and then we bring them to the post office. So maybe I'll just do like a little time lapse. All right, so I just got done packing everything here, so I need to put them into this right here. Oh, that, so I can bring it over to USPS. But yeah, I'm just kind of responding to some emails right now. That's like a pretty annoying thing that you don't really realize when you're first starting a business, is how many emails that you'll get from customers that are just usually complaining about shipping and items. And like this person right now I'm trying to deal with is asking for a discount that never got applied to his order, but he literally never even typed in one. So I don't know. It's just like a lot of different emails that you gotta try to respond to. So that's when having a VA would be helpful. But yeah, I don't have anyone hired for anything like that right now. So it's just me dealing with obviously the shipping, which will be solved soon because I am gonna be switching over to a fulfillment center in just a couple more days, so I won't be doing this every single day, which will be nice and take some time off my day to actually work on some other things to help improve the business. So yeah, I'm just trying to make sure everything is handled on the customer side of things before I move on to the next things for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to finish up a couple more things on the computer and catch you guys in just a little bit. So before I go ahead and deliver those packages to the post office, I actually have to do some editing work. Like I mentioned, I have a video editing business as well, filming business, and there's some work that needs to be done before I go ahead and move on to the rest of the day. So I have my setup right here and it is off. So turning on the PC here, and then gotta turn on the monitors and lock in. I don't know if I can really show what I'm working on because it is kind of a secret project, or I don't really know if I can show it before it's released because it's still in progress and it is for a pretty big company. So yeah, this is the setup I got here. I definitely want to record some more videos. This is dirty. I need to clean this. Also, it doesn't help that it's a white mouse pad. It's like very hard to keep this clean, but yeah, I have a keyboard and this other one for editing shortcuts. So let's go ahead and open up Premiere because that is the project that I'm working on, is inside of Premiere. So let's go ahead and start working on this project. We got the timeline right here. I'm not going to show anything else, but you can see the timeline. There you go. All right, it's been a little over an hour. I just got done editing there's actually 2 videos I had to work on. It was just revisions. Luckily there weren't too many. So now I just gotta wait back on the client and see what they have to say. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring the packages to the post office now and then see what else I got to do after that. But yeah, let's go ahead and head over to the post office. All right, guys, we are in the car. This is the launcher, and I'm also filming on the Meta glasses because it's gonna be easier. I don't have to like keep taking out my phone and recording. So yeah, we're in this car. If you guys don't know what the launcher N is, it's actually pretty cool. It's Hyundai, but I mean, look at the interior. It's pretty nice. Like, it's got bucket seats and everything. For the price, it's honestly like great. Daily driver. It's got like a good exhaust and everything. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You might be able to hear it a little bit, but it's pretty loud, but not like the loudest thing ever. So I'll see if you guys can maybe hear it in the audio here. The only thing I've done to the exhaust is remove the resonator, but besides that, this car is completely stock. So you might be able to hear some exhaust sounds here, but it is pretty cold. Can I get a couple more bags? Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right, I'm back home from the post office, got everything delivered, so now I'm working on another video project for a different person. Once again, I'm probably not gonna really show anything for this one, but yeah, I'm just gonna lock in, get it edited, maybe finish today. I don't think it'll take that long. It's not too hard of a project. So yeah, I'm just gonna lock in and see you guys once I'm done working on the video. All right, so I just got done eating some lunch, and then I also edited that video. I finished it, or I think I'm done. I just gotta send this to the client and see if there's any revisions, but yeah, I'm pretty much done with that. Now I'm gonna try making a meta ad. So I have an idea that I saw, and I'm gonna try to like replicate it using my product. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out right now, and I might get a few clips, but I don't know how I'm gonna really record it because I'm gonna be using this phone to record the meta ad. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. All right, I'm putting on the meta glasses really quick, but this is the ad I want to replicate right here. Obviously it's a lot different than my product. It's a shirt, but I like the intro hook and everything. So I'm gonna kind of copy that. He says like, can your shirt do this? I'm gonna say, can your scoop do this? And then show how it works. I'm just gonna go into the camera here. Can your scoop do this? Okay, good hook. Unlike your normal scoops, we created a scoop. Unlike your normal scoops, we created a scoop and a funnel all in one. If you want to check out the Precision Pro while it's on a sale, click that button down below. All right, I'm back on my computer now. Probably gonna go ahead and start working on that meta ad I just filmed, just so I can kind of get it out of the way, and don't forget to do that. I feel like that's something I'm trying to work on more, is just locking in. As soon as I film something, I should just go ahead and get it done. All right, I think it's like 5 p.m. now. I'm about to head off to the gym. I've done a decent amount of work today. I still need to do some more videos and editing tonight after But yeah, I'm gonna go and head off to the gym. So I might grab some clips when I'm there, but I usually do not film anything when I'm there. So if I do, it'll be in the video. If not, then it won't be. Did a little poll day. Now to go back home and get some dinner and just work on some last minute like editing stuff and probably publish a couple more creatives. But yeah, that's about it.
Yes, sir. Bought an M4 comp at 19, my second car. Oh, look at it.
Bro, there's actually no way. Wait, this color actually looks so similar to like mine.
Carbon roof. Hey, but look at this. Carbon buckets.
No, this color is sick though.
I know. The wheels like aren't even that bad for like stock wheels. Obviously, you need a lid. Yeah, this color's cool. It's like the same as yours.
What the heck? These
they're not like uncomfortable. They're just like when you drive it, it's like cool because it's like hard. So you like when you shift it, like feels more like.
It's definitely more locked in. Yeah, these paddle shifters are so much nicer than mine.
And these two.
All right, I'm back home now. Had some dinner, and now I'm back on the computer. Gonna finish up this video that I filmed earlier today for that meta ad that I want to put together. It shouldn't take me too long, but I'm just gonna skip and show you guys the end result of what I created. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm done with the editing. All right, I just got done editing together 2 different creatives. I have this one and then this other one here. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and export these out and probably just publish them to Meta tonight, or schedule them at least. And here's an example of what one of those ads look like. Can your scoop do this? Unlike your normal scoops, we created a scoop and a funnel all in one. Just take a scoop of your powders like electrolytes, pre-workout, creatine, line up onto the bottle, pull back the lever, and all the powder falls straight into the bottle. If you want to check out their Precision Pro Bottles on a sale, click that button down below. So yeah, pretty simple and straightforward, but I saw this idea, I think on Instagram of another ad, so I wanted to kind of replicate it. So I'm gonna see how this one performs on Meta. But yeah, I think this is gonna be pretty much the end of the video here, because the rest of the stuff is just gonna be kind of tedious work. I also have one more client project that I need to finish editing together tonight. And I'm not really going to show that as well, so kind of pointless, but just to let you guys know that I'm going to be editing that and just probably publishing these to Meta tonight so I can get some new creatives testing. But yeah, hopefully this was kind of interesting to see, I guess, a day in the life of how I run my businesses. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.